Writing documentation is tedious. It takes forever, it's repetitive, and honestly, you'd rather be doing literally anything else. But what if AI could handle the boring parts for you? Imagine cutting down hours of work into minutes. Today, we're exploring how AI can transform the way you create, manage, and optimize documentation. AI is more than just a fancy tool, it's a game changer for documentation. It can automate repetitive tasks, analyze text for clarity, and even generate new content based on data. AI technologies like natural language processing ensure your writing is clear and consistent. Machine learning automates formatting and data extraction, and generative AI drafts user manuals, reports, and summaries in seconds. So, how does this help you? Let's break it down by real-world use cases. Creating user manuals takes forever. You have to sift through support tickets, product documentation, and user feedback to create something both informative and digestible. AI changes the game by analyzing product data and generating clear, easy-to-follow manuals instantly. With AI assistants like ClickUp Brain, you can even use pre-created prompts to generate help docs on the spot. No more staring at a blank screen. SOPs need to be consistent, clear, and most importantly, current. AI analyzes internal knowledge bases and industry standards to suggest relevant updates and ensure compliance. Say goodbye to outdated procedures or missed details. AI keeps your documentation fresh and reliable without the hassle of manual updates. Taking meeting notes is a chore. AI transcription tools can record and analyze conversations, then generate action items and key takeaways in seconds. But here's the cool part. AI doesn't just summarize, it learns from past meetings to suggest relevant agenda items for future discussions. So your meetings stay productive, not repetitive. Writing compelling sales proposals takes time, but AI speeds up the process. It analyzes customer data, competitor insights, and market trends to create highly personalized proposals. You can ditch generic templates and get tailored content that actually speaks to your audience. Technical documentation is one of the toughest content types to write. It's dense, detailed, and needs to be 100% accurate. AI can analyze code samples, API references, and system configurations to generate structured, easy-to-read technical documents. This ensures consistency and reduces human error, making life easier for engineers and product teams. Business reports and contracts are paperwork-heavy, but AI can automate much of the process. It creates comprehensive reports in minutes by extracting insights from CRM systems, financial data, and analytics dashboards. For contracts, AI streamlines creation, tracks lifecycle stages, and even automates renewal reminders, reducing legal headaches and improving efficiency. AI documentation tools are getting smarter. In the near future, AI will fact-check, translate content in real time, and turn static documents into interactive experiences. The goal is to make documentation effortless, more engaging, and universally accessible. Whether you're creating manuals, meeting notes, or business reports, AI streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Check out ClickUp Brain and see how AI can improve your business documentation.